Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening images. Google, and preparing the image you need to search. This saves time and avoids switching apps. Once done, click the camera icon in the search bar. This is the gateway to reverse image lookup. You can paste an image URL or select upload an image from your files. Choose whichever is fastest. Do this now to kick off the search, because starting with the correct input dramatically improves result relevance and speed. Once you've submitted the image, Google returns visually similar images and pages that contain it. This helps identify origins and context. If results are noisy, use tools to filter by size, color, type, or time to narrow candidates. You can also crop the image to focus on a logo, face, or detail. This often yields better matches. If you need exact matches, repeat with a higher resolution file. If looking for variants, keep the crop broader to capture context. You finish by evaluating results. Open several hosting pages to confirm the image's original context, date, and usage. Once you find a promising source, compare metadata, captions, or surrounding text to verify accuracy. If the first pass fails, try a different crop, upload a higher resolution version, or test other engines. Small changes often reveal matches that were missed. Troubleshooting tip: if results are sparse, reduce background clutter and re-upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.